My friends, this is Ian at BuilderBiz Online. I'm the proud owner of BuilderBiz Online, and on behalf of myself, your sponsor, and indeed the whole member base, we want to welcome you to your members area. Now, I must say straight away that we attract three types of people: those that want to make money promoting our tools, those that use our tools and who don't want to make money, and then there is those that want to do both. And a lot of our members, they do want to make most. So how much can you make promoting BuilderBiz Online if you were to promote our tools and your affiliate links? You can make $2, $2.50, $6, or $10. So the most there, $10, is 70%. Okay. So more about that when you click on to upgrade your account just here. So that is the money side of it, how you can make money promoting BuilderBiz Online. Now then, what about the tools? Pro members, just have a look over here and we'll show you what you do get. Now, you do get a fully operational, easy to use autoresponder that is part of BuilderBiz Online. So you can register there, and if we find that you are a Pro Plus or Pro Executive member, we will upgrade your account and you'll be able to log in just here. We also provide a bonus traffic blog, a bonus surfing tool. Now, this is to help people that like surfing in traffic exchanges, and it helps you really surf quickly and earn those credits quickly and all those good prizes. Okay, we do have another one. If you don't like that one, we do have another one as well, but more about that in a bit. Okay, we've got a brilliant splash page builder. Now, the difference between our splash page builder and others is that if you've got a good splash page that you have built and you show it to your friends over at BuilderBiz Online, you can actually share it with people. Okay, so you share a code and then they add it to their it reproduces the splash page in their account. Okay, that's the same with our autoresponder. Now, the autoresponder is a little bit different as well, because when you produce a code and then you give it to somebody else, i.e. somebody in your team, your downline, and they want to promote a splash page like yours, it copies the emails over as well. Not one by one, all at the same time. And then all you've got to do is just go in there, make sure that all the affiliate links are pointing to you. Okay, so that's the autoresponder and the splash page builder. Now, we also have what we call a 10 banner splash page. There will be 10 banners of your choice on a small page, 125 times 125. Our members generally use this for promoting their traffic programs, their mailers, their traffic exchanges and viral mailers and things like that. We've also got our own tracker and brander, and you'll be able to see where the clicks come from, as well as everything else. It cloaks, it can track, it can shorten, and it can brand your affiliate URLs. Okay, we've got an email tracking tool there, because here at BuilderBiz Online, once you start to build a downline and attract people under you, you can actually track to make sure, or to see, I would say, if they are opening their emails up. So let us say you've got 10 in your downline and you use the tracker and only 8 are opening up. You can see there's only 8 serious people underneath you, I suppose. We've got our own HTML editor. Now then, these are the newest BuilderBiz Online tools. These are built by a friend of ours, Martin. We've got a bonus page generator. And now, there's a lot of people, they use JVZoo, and there are other ones out there. Or even you could use this to pass bonuses on to people that opt into your autoresponder. Okay, I must just say about the autoresponders, one thing I did forget, forgive me for this, but if you are at our highest membership, which is Pro Executive, you will get unlimited autoresponder campaigns with unlimited subscribers. Okay, we have a URL link checker for your mailers and your traffic exchanges to make sure it passes before you put it into theirs. We've got an email generator. This helps to get professionally looking emails that you can mail to your downline or anywhere else for that matter. There is an inline form generator. This is for use in our autoresponder, and also a two-step form generator. So they would click on a button to say, yes, please grant me permission or let me download this ebook, and then it would take them to a second page saying you are 50% done. Fill in the form below and we will send it straight to you. We've also got a button maker that we can use in splash pages and our capture pages. And there is a scarcity bar generator. This gives people a sense of urgency. It'll tell you a countdown and and things like that, just telling them all that there's 10 of these items left out of 100, so please hurry up, and things like that. Okay, so we've got a video background generator that we can use in our splash page builder or the capture pages as well. Also, we can have a slideshow in the background. Okay, and then we've got an exit pop-up generator, and then there is also our ultimate splash and capture page generator that is all on its own because it is fantastic. Using this tool to build your capture pages, you will have up to six methods to gain interest dotted about the page. More about that in the video. Okay, you'll see a video for that one. Then we have some additional tools just to enhance the look of your splash pages and your capture pages. We've got a countdown timer there, so that's great. Splash page widget with generator, so that's for putting a little built by Buildabiz Online, and it links back to you so that you can build your downline at Buildabiz Online while promoting something else. We've also got a multi-page builder. Now this comes in handy for our capture pages, okay, for our autoresponder, because there's 4 pages, and if you want them all looking the same, then this is the tool for you. Rounded corners on the images. I don't know why, but there was a craze started. Let's make look at the boxes here. If you can see these boxes, they've all got round edges, and it's something that we do, and so you could do that with images there. Sometimes people want to add a reflection on an image, so that's a tool for that. Adding a water reflection on images. So free image hosting on our server, so we do that for you. Free image cropping tool, which is there. Another one there, EarthenView image and resizer. There's a royalty-free stock photos there you can get, and also image background transparency, I should say. Okay, so it may be something annoying in the background and you just want to take that out. That tool is for you. And we've also got royalty-free music and also animate your banner building. Okay, so if you want to build 468 times 60 banners and you want them in GIF form, rotate in text, that is the tool for you. Okay, so that's a rundown of our tool. I think there's about 30 something now tools that we've got here at Buildabiz Online. So you can see lots of tools. I know that when I first started online, I was paying around about $50 to $60 per month just to get the tools to get me promoting things in a proper manner. Once I started doing that, then it greatly increased my affiliate marketing. And so I decided, because they were all over the place, I had to join a splash page builder, I had to join a tracker program, I had to do that. I thought, well, once I start making money, and if I'd got enough interest, I would put all these tools together. And that's what we've done. That is what we've done. Okay, so that's just a small introductory video just to welcome you and tell you what we can do for your business. So we can help you make a residual income while promoting your existing business. That is what we are all about. You can promote any other business you wish, so long as it's kosher, it's not hate related or sex related or all those different hates out there. Okay, so you can promote whatever you want to build your business online. So thanks for listening. Bye for now. Don't forget, let's go back to the members area. If you want to learn how to navigate around your members area, that is the one for you. Now, what I would like you to do is please subscribe. Please subscribe. So as you're watching this video that you're watching right now, on the right hand side, there's a little thing appearing just down here that says please subscribe. We ask you to do that, not for any monetary. It's got nothing to do with that, because we don't qualify for that over at YouTube. That's where all our videos are. But it's so that you can get notified whenever we add our training videos. If you look here, here's our training videos just here. There's a plethora of them, all in order. Okay, so that's where you can probably go to next when you want to learn. But what I would do now, if I were you, I would first of all click these 4 steps one at a time. Just follow them, do what it says in the video, and you will succeed, I am sure, with Builder Biz Online. Thanks for listening. Bye for now. I'll see you in another video.